Good morning, students. Today, our topic is plane electromagnetic waves in free space. We know that the four Maxwell equations are divergence D is equals to rho, divergence B is equals to 0, curl E is equals to minus del B by del T, curl H is equals to J plus del D by del T. And here D is equals to epsilon into E, B is equals to mu naught into H, and J is equals to sigma into E. Now there is a special case for free space. Free space, that means rho is equals to 0, sigma is equals to 0, and mu is equals to mu naught, and epsilon is equals to epsilon naught. By using these conditions, the Maxwell equations converted into divergence E is equals to 0, divergence H is equals to 0, curl E is equals to minus mu naught into del H by del T, curl H is equals to epsilon naught into del E by del T. Now if we take the curl of equation 4, then we get curl E is equals to curl minus mu naught del H by del T, and we know that curl of electric field E is equals to grade divergence E minus del 2 E is equals to minus mu naught del by del T curl H. If we put the value of curl H from equation 5, then we get since divergence E is also equal to 0 from the equation second, so we can write minus del 2 E is equals to minus mu naught del by del T epsilon naught del E by del T, and if we solve it, then we get del 2 E minus mu naught epsilon naught del 2 E by del T2 is equals to 0. This is the equation 6. Now similarly, if we take curl of equation 5 and then put value of curl E from equation 4, then we get curl H is equals to epsilon naught del by del T curl E, and curl H is equals to grade divergence H minus del 2H, so we get grade divergence H minus del 2H is equals to epsilon naught del by del T minus mu naught del H by del T. Now divergence H is equals to 0, so we get minus del 2H is equals to minus mu naught epsilon naught del 2H by del T2, and finally we get del 2H minus mu naught into epsilon naught del 2H by del T2 is equals to 0. This is equation 7. Now it is clear from equation 6 and 7 that the equation 6 and 7 represent wave equations governing electromagnetic fields E and H in free space, and equations 6 and 7 are vector equations of identical form, which means that each of the 6 components of E and H separately satisfies the same scalar wave equation of the form del 2U minus mu naught epsilon naught del 2U by del T2 is equals to 0. Here U is a scalar and can stand for one of the component of E and H. Here U is a scalar and can stand for one of the components of E and H. It is obvious that equation 8 resembles with the general wave equation del 2U is equals to 1 by V square del 2U by del T2. This is the general equation for a wave. This is general wave equation, and here V is velocity of the wave.